Dear students, class 9th maths chapter 1 number system part 1. Today we are going to see the topic numbers. Already in lower class you might have studied types of numbers. So what are the numbers you learned? First one, natural numbers. Natural numbers. It is denoted by capital N. Capital N is starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. So always natural numbers denoted by capital N. So starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. Next number what you have studied? Whole numbers. Whole number, it is denoted by capital W. Set of all starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, including 0 in the natural number, then you will get whole number. Third one, integers. It is denoted by capital Z. Capital Z. Set of all negative number, that is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. That is integers, including negative numbers. Including negative numbers in the whole number, that is called integers. Now one more number also already you studied, rational numbers. Rational numbers. It is denoted by capital Q. It is denoted by capital Q. So capital Q is nothing but, that is a rational number means all fractions are rational numbers. So capital Q is nothing but set of all P by Q, where P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. The denominator is always not equal to 0 because division by 0 is not defined. Division by 0 is not defined. So Q division, Q is in the denominator, is division. So that is not equal to 0. So if Q is 0 means then it is not defined. Clear? So set means what? Collection of defined objects. Set means collection of defined objects. So it is a Q equal to 0 means that is not defined. That's why what Q always take not equal to 0 in the rational numbers. For example, you see Q is equal to 1 by 2, -2, even 0 is also rational number. Remember, 0 is also rational because numerator P is 0 is the numerator. Denominator you can write any number other than 0. So numerator 0 is possible. So 0 is also rational numbers. Okay. And 7 by 9, 15 by 2, etc. So these are rational numbers. So apart from this, this year you are going to learn one more number, that is called irrational numbers. That is called irrational numbers. Fifth number is irrational numbers. it is denoted by capital Q dash. That is complementary set. Dash, if you put means what? That is complementary set. That is complementary set means whatever element in the Q dash that is not in Q. That means irrational number. How the irrational number means 3 plus root 2, clear? Root 2, root 5, then pi, etc. So these are rational numbers. I will explain more later on. First you see the types of numbers, clear? Rational numbers, that is and irrational numbers. Then one more number is there. Apart from this, one more number you have, that is real numbers. Real numbers. It is denoted by capital R. It is denoted by capital R. It is denoted by capital R. So all the numbers belong to real numbers. So far whatever number you have seen, all the numbers belong to real numbers. That is super. So one more number is that is real numbers. That is it is denoted by capital R. So it is superset. It is superset. So all numbers, that is whatever number you learned, clear, all numbers are there in the real numbers. That is you see 1, 0, minus 2, root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, fraction 1 by 2, minus 3 by 5, etc. So simply we call rational number and irrational numbers are called real numbers. That's why what simply we call rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. That is rational numbers and real numbers and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers or real numbers or real numbers. Two, three. You see this diagram. Real number is the superset. So all numbers are contained in the real numbers. Rational number, irrational numbers. Okay. So rational numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Okay. Circle down. 3. See, real number is the superset. Okay. So the real number contains what? Rational number and irrational number. You see, a rational number contains natural number, then whole number, then integers. So here you see integer contains whole number and natural number. Whole number contains one natural number. So this is the diagram. You have to always remember this diagram. It is very easy for you to remember all the numbers. Okay. 2, 3. Definition of rational numbers. Any number or a number can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and the Q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So in 9th class you are going to study more about rational number and irrational numbers. That's why I am giving once again this definition. Definition of rational number is a number can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. That's why in numbers we have seen that q, the rational number denoted by what? Capital Q, set of all p by q, such that p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. And q not equal to 0. That is the definition of 1 by 2 minus 5, 0, 3, 7 by 9, etc. They are rational numbers. Rational numbers. So in the rational numbers, what you have many types. Clear? Already you in lower class you might have studied what equal fractions. Equal fractions. So suppose you take 3. So examples 1 by 2, minus 5, 0, 3, 7 by 9, etc. are rational numbers. So all fractions are rational numbers. Already in lower class you studied. You have equal fractions. You have equal fractions, that is 2 by 3. Okay, then you multiply with 2 in the numerator and denominator, means you will get 4 by 6. Like this you multiply by 3 means 6 by 9 equal to multiply by 4, 8 by 12, etc. Are equal fractions or equal fractions. Next you learned standard form of fractions. That is standard form of fractions. That is what is the standard form of fraction? Means there is no common factors of numerator and denominator. That is standard form. That is HCF of numerator and denominator is 1. So standard form of fraction. Standard form. That is 1 by 2, 3 by 5. You see the numerator and the denominator. There is no common factor other than 1. There is no common factor other than 1. That is called standard form. Standard form of fraction or rational numbers. That is 3 by 5, 7 by 9, minus 1 by 3, etc. Or standard form of rational numbers. Or standard form of rational numbers. Standard form of rational numbers. Understand? 3. So next, rational number lying between two rational numbers. Rational numbers lying between two rational numbers. How to find out a rational number between two rational numbers? Suppose you consider if A and B are two rational numbers. Two rational numbers. Then C is equal to A plus B by 2. C is equal to A plus B by 2 is also a rational number. So here C is also a rational numbers. So to find out one rational numbers between two rational numbers, what you have to do is Just add divided by 2. Add divided by 2. Or this can be written as what? C is equal to, this can be also written as 1 by 2 into A plus B. For our convenient, you write 1 by 2 into A plus B. That is better. Okay, for example, you see. Example 1. Find a rational number between 1 and 2. Find a rational numbers. So you listen the question. Find a rational number between 1 and 2. How to find out? A rational number is a rational number between 1 and 2 is, just add 1 plus 2 by, again divided by 2. So in exam, if they ask only one rational number, means this is the best method. Okay, just adding divided by 2. Here, how much you will get? 3 by 2. That is how much? 1.5 in the decimal form. Actually, what 3 by 2 is the fraction, but you can write in the decimal form. You see, exact middle value will get 1 and 1, 2. Here, that is 1.5 is middle value of 1 and 2. Understand? That's why to find out a rational number between two rational number means it is a very simple way. Clear? Sometime in one more questions they may ask. Okay. Remember. Next one more problem also. It's the second. Find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Now how to do? The required rational number is, right? Simply you write required rational number is one by two of, you apply this formula because it is fraction. That's why you write, better to write 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, so that the simplification will be easy. So 1 by 2 into, what is the LCM here? 6 is the LCM. Clear? So now denominator, first term denominator 2, divide, just divide. How much? 3. Multiply here. 1 into 3, 3. Then plus symbol is there. So plus. Then again 3 divide means 2. So write 2. Or when you multiply the denominator in the LCM, just to do cross multiplication. That is another way. Okay. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 5 by 6. That is 5 by numerator into numerator. 1 into 5 is 5. Denominator into denominator, that is 12. That's all. So 5 by 12 is a rational number between. Next we will see rational numbers lying between two rational numbers. That is more rational numbers lying between two rational numbers. How to see? Clear? See, for example, find 4 rational numbers. 4 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. See, now we have to find out 4 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1. One is 6. Both are prime numbers, so just to multiply. That is 6. LCM is 6. Now denominator you have to make 6. For that what you have to do is 1 by 2 equal to make denominator 6 means 3 multiply. Okay. 1 by 2 into 3 by 3. That is how much? Numerator 3. 3 by 6. Again take this number. 1 by 2, 3 equal to 1 by 3 equal to. Here you have to make 6 means how much you have to multiply? 2 by 2. That is 2 by 1 by 1 into 2, 2 by 6. So both denominators are same now. But see the numerator. 2 and 3, there is nothing between these two numbers. Clear? 2 and 3 between no number. That's why what you have to do is again multiply by, because we have to find out 4 rational numbers. So again multiplied by 10. Again multiplied by 10. That is easy way. That is equal to how much? 3 into 10, how much? 30 by 60. Now 2 into 10, 20 by 60. Now see the denominator, same. Denominators are same. So now see the numerator, 30 and 20. So 30 and 20 between nearly what? 9 numbers there. So we have to write only 4 numbers. So easily we can write. That is 21 by 60. Therefore 21 by 60. 22 by 60. 23 by 60. 24 by 60. Or 4 rational numbers. Or 4 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Okay, any 4 numbers you can find out like this. Any way you can do. Clear? This is easiest way. Easily you can find out. Okay, so you can apply what I told, that is a plus b by 2 method also. You have to what, that is long process. You have to again and again you have to do. Clear? But this is to find out 4 rational number means this is the best method. Understand? This is the best method. So find a rational number means a by 2, a plus b by 2. That formula apply. Otherwise you do this way. Clear? So now I will give some assignment related to this problem. I will give assignment. I will add the assignment work in this video itself at the end.